Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Kids Ensure is probably one of the most talked about nutritional shakes for children. Parents are always looking for convenient ways to ensure their kids get the nutrients they need. These shakes promise a quick and easy solution, but do they live up to the hype? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Kids Ensure, exploring its benefits, ingredients, and whether it's the right choice for your child. Number 5. Ensure Complete Milk Chocolate Nutritional Shake. This is a complete and balanced meal replacement. It's packed with the nutrients your body needs to stay healthy and energized. It's a convenient way to get a nutritious meal on the go. This shake provides a substantial 30 grams of high-quality protein. This protein helps support your muscles, keeping them strong and healthy. It's an easy way to boost your protein intake. It's an excellent source of zinc, vitamin A, and antioxidants like vitamin C and E and selenium. These nutrients work together to support your immune system. This helps you stay healthy and fight off illness. This shake is packed with 27 essential vitamins and minerals. These nutrients support your muscle, heart, and bone health, as well as provide energy. It's a comprehensive nutritional boost in every sip. Enjoy the rich and satisfying taste of milk chocolate. It's a ready-to-drink shake that can be enjoyed as a meal replacement, with a meal, or as a snack. It's a delicious and convenient way to nourish your body. Ensure is the brand most recommended by doctors for nutritional drinks. It's a trusted choice for strength and energy. You can feel confident knowing you're choosing a product recommended by healthcare professionals. What we like. This shake is packed with 30 grams of high-quality protein, perfect for supporting muscle health. It also provides excellent immune system support with essential vitamins and antioxidants. If you're looking for a shake that offers a complete and balanced meal replacement with a high protein content, this is the one for you. What people say. These are a little on the thick side but have definitely helped me gain some weight after cancer surgery. Switched the wife from high protein to complete as it has a higher caloric value, and while battling cancer she cannot afford to lose weight. Good product for assisting with protein supplementing a 93-year-old's diet. Number 4. PediaSure SideKicks Chocolate Kids Protein Shake. Is your child behind on growth? This shake is packed with protein and key nutrients. It is designed to help kids catch up and thrive. This shake provides complete and balanced nutrition. It helps fill the top 4 nutrient gaps, including vitamin D, calcium, fiber, and potassium. Each shake contains 10 g of protein. It's a convenient and delicious way to boost your child's protein intake. This shake offers a good source of essential nutrients. It provides as much protein as an extra-large egg, calcium as yogurt, and fiber as a banana. From the #1 pediatrician recommended brand, this shake is a great choice. It provides vitamins and minerals for kids ages 2 to 13. This product is SNAP eligible. It's a convenient option to help ensure your child gets the nutrition they need. What we like. This shake is specifically designed to help kids catch up on growth with key nutrients and protein. It provides complete, balanced nutrition, filling common nutrient gaps. If you have a picky eater or a child who needs extra support, this shake can be a great addition to their diet. What people say. The quality and nutrients of this product make this a no-brainer for growing toddlers. The kids will suck this down, so on days they won't eat anything else, at least I know they're getting some nutrition. This helps them to get some essential vitamins and minerals they've missed out on throughout the day. Number 3. Ensure Milk Chocolate Nutrition Shake. This shake provides complete and balanced nutrition. It has 220 calories and 9 grams of high-quality protein. It's designed to give you the nutrients you need. This shake helps support your immune system. It contains 80% of your daily value of vitamin C and 40% of your daily value of vitamin D. It's a great way to get essential vitamins. Ensure is the #1 doctor-recommended nutrition drink brand. Doctors trust it to provide the nutrition people need. It's a reliable choice for your health. This shake tastes delicious. It is suitable for those with lactose intolerance and is gluten-free. Enjoy it as a tasty and nutritious treat. You can enjoy this shake daily. Use it as a small meal replacement, with a meal, or as a snack. It helps you maintain proper nutrition throughout the day. What we like. This shake offers complete, balanced nutrition with a delicious taste. It also provides immune system support with essential vitamins. If you're looking for a convenient and tasty way to maintain proper nutrition, this is a great choice for daily use. What people say. These are great for added nutrients into your diet. They are packed with calories, so they make a great meal replacement with a pack of crackers or a protein bar or any snack for that matter. These give me good taste and nutrition and are easy to eat. A lot of food makes me cough terribly. Number 2. Ensure Vanilla Meal Replacement Shakes, 8 fluid ounces, 24 count. This shake offers complete and balanced nutrition. It provides 220 calories and 9 grams of high-quality protein in every serving. This shake is designed to support your immune system. It contains 80% of your daily value of vitamin C and 40% of your daily value of vitamin D. Ensure is the #1 doctor-recommended nutrition drink brand. Doctors trust it to provide the nutrients you need. The shakes are delicious and suitable for those with lactose intolerance. It's also gluten-free, making it a great choice for many. Enjoy it as a small meal replacement, with a meal, or as a snack. It helps you maintain proper nutrition throughout your day. What we like. This shake provides complete, balanced nutrition with a delicious vanilla flavor. It also offers immune system support with essential vitamins. If you like vanilla and want a convenient way to get your daily nutrients, this is a perfect option. What people say. Ensure is a great nutritional supplement for all ages. I think this product gives my mom energy and helps with her appetite. All the flavors taste good, especially if served cold. Number 1. Ensure Compact Chocolate Nutrition Shake, 4 fluid ounces, 24 pack. This compact shake offers a comprehensive blend of protein, fat, carbohydrates, and essential vitamins and minerals. It's all packed into just 4 fluid ounces, making it a convenient and effective way to get your daily nutrients. It's an excellent source of zinc, vitamin A, and antioxidants, including vitamin C and E, plus selenium. These ingredients work together to provide crucial support for your immune system, helping you stay healthy. This shake is packed with 25 essential vitamins and minerals. They support muscle, heart, and bone health, and also help provide sustained energy throughout your day. Enjoy this delicious chocolate shake as a small meal replacement, alongside your meals, or as a quick snack. It's a tasty way to get the protein you need. Ensure is the brand most recommended by doctors for nutritional drinks. Trust this shake to provide you with the strength and energy you need. What we like. This compact shake offers complete, balanced nutrition in a smaller 4 fluid ounces size. It also provides immune system support and 25 essential vitamins and minerals. If you are looking for a convenient, smaller portion size without compromising on nutrition, you should consider it. What people say. These are short 4-ounce bottles, but pack the same nutrition and calories in the standard 8-ounce version. This makes them ideal for people who have difficulty drinking or swallowing, and helps the user urinate less. The short bottles also fit better in the tiny compact fridge in her care home room. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.